Hello, it's Christine Garrow, and it's time for another episode of Kids Grab and Go. This is your opportunity to come into the Bettendorf Public Library and pick up a bag of supplies to make a fun craft. For the month of March, we are going to be making Agamograph art. If you haven't come in to get your bag of supplies yet, they are available in the youth area of the Bettendorf Public Library during open hours. We make 250 bags, so come in and get yours while supplies last. I have my bag here. Let's see what's inside. First of all, we have the written instructions, which you can follow along with, as well as this video to complete your project. We also have two different patterns for Agamograph art. One is a night and day scene. The other is a shamrock and a rainbow scene. And then to color those, you have a whole pack of colored pencils. Now that we have all of our supplies, let's get started. First, we're going to start by cutting off the margins or the extra paper on the outside of your Agamograph template. Now it's time to color, and keep in mind that every other column is going to make one picture. So for instance, the shamrock is going to be on this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. And that's what I'm going to start with. And then I will go back in and I will finish the rainbow portion of this design. Okay, the next step is to fold your Agamograph art. We're going to do an accordion fold, which means we're going to go back and forth. So when you find that line, you can press and crease, and then flip it back over. We're going to do the same thing. Right on the line, press and crease. Okay, now we've got it all folded. And now what you'll notice is, depending on which way you angle your picture, you're gonna get two different images. So here's our shamrock, and here's our rainbow. We hope you enjoy making your own Agamograph art. For the month of April, we are going to be making people keychains. So until then,